just a little spend the day with me because I have a lot to do. As you can see in the background, I have a lot to do. I have to clean, do the dishes, and make a bunch of stuff, because like my mother is about to come back from Eastern Cape, so she has to like get into a clean house. Don't ask me why like in the I'm done for a longest time, but I just was not in the mood to clean. Like my mother's not here around my cleaning. Don't judge me. I just woke up. Honestly, I just woke up. I haven't done anything. I haven't washed my face. Blah, 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 blah. But that's fine. So I'm gonna start by cleaning the room and then go to a front and see what I can do, what else I can do, around the house. But I think I first want to get something to eat because hey, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I first have to get something to eat and then come back and clean and then do something. I think I'm gonna study today because at bank school, I don't know, I bunked school to do everything and clean and blah, 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 blah. So I think I want to like, I want to clean, do stuff, and then try to study in between that, or like just after I'm done, I'm gonna study. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. And please, if you haven't watched my previous vlogs, please go watch my previous vlogs because thank you. This is so unplanned. But it's so nice because I found school like for a reason, for such a reason. Because like I woke up in a samba, but when I looked outside, no, no ways, and I literally don't have any other uniform. I only have a skirt. So no, it's scared. I only have a skirt. So if I'm gonna wear a skirt, all the weather in, I'm not gonna survive. Literally, I'm not gonna survive. Let me show you guys. Okay, guys, I have to choose between Emeralds or kind of I think I'm gonna settle for Emeralds because I also want to buy the dentures. I don't know, they're Malay, but it's so cold outside. So let me just wait for the show. I'm gonna run as fast as I can. Ooh, it's brighter. Look at looking for it. Okay. Don't mind my view. You're shocking me. Okay. I wanted to vlog Isana S show because my friend Chomiam, but I couldn't because we got rain. And I had anxiety Sana. Couldn't look it. I would take my chance. I don't know. But I wanted to vlog my shop. So I couldn't. Next time. Give a love.
wathethelela utalimaka nguwe wethu ohlezi utalimaka sungikhumbule nami khumbule nami khumbule nami awuze wathethelela utalimaka nguwe wethu ohlezi utalimaka sungikhumbule nami khumbule nami khumbule nami
Okay guys, I'm done eating, but I did take a nap after like in the water. I did take a nap, and I just woke up, so I'm gonna start cleaning. There's a color game. I think it's a color camera. I'm not sure. I think it's a color camera, and then go to the other room, like my room, and then go to a kitchen. Definitely go to the kitchen because the kitchen is not that bad, but I just have to like cockroach and the silicone and all that stuff, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna start cleaning now. I'm a bit lazy. I'm a bit lazy, but it's fine.
Ngiyazi sibaningi sikhalela uwe bengicela ungilalele nami ngiyazi sibaningi sikhalela uwe awuze wathethelela utalimaka nguwe wethu ohlezi utalimaka sungikhumbule nami khumbule nami khumbule nami awuze wathethelela utalimaka nguwe wethu ohlezi utalimaka sungikhumbule nami khumbule nami khumbule nami bengicela ungilalele nami ngiyazi sibaningi sikhalela uwe bengicela ungilalele nami ngiyazi sibaningi sikhalela uwe bengicela ungilalele nami ngiyazi sibaningi sikhalela uwe bengicela ungilalele nami ngiyazi sibaningi sikhalela uwe. There's no one to call 'cause I'm just playing games with them all. The more I swear I'm happy, the more that I'm feeling alone. 'Cause I spend every hour just going through the motions. I can't even get the emotions to come on. I'm dry as a bone and I just wanna shout. There's no one to call 'cause I'm just playing games with them all. The more I swear I'm happy, the more that I'm feeling alone. 'Cause I spend every hour just going through the motions. I emotions to come on. I'm dry as a bone and I just wanna shout.
so tired, Trim. Yo. Turn it down. Okay, guys. I'm done cleaning my room. So now I have to clean everything, the kitchen, and then take a nap before I study. I think I'm gonna do that around go-3. Number go-3 goku. I think maybe. Last room. So kitchen right now. So kitchen. Ooh, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. And because I didn't manage to che. Madam not in the doctor. I don't know. It was my I just ate lazy. This is a waste of money, to be honest. I need to be responsible. Maybe tomorrow because I am going to buy those vegetables. At least it's not that much that needs to be done at the beginning. Right, I only need to like go and do a bunch of stuff and then to try out the whole house and mop the whole house.
There's no one to call, 'cause I'm just playing games with them. The more I swear I'm happy, the more that I'm feeling alone. 'Cause I spend every hour just going through the motions. I can't even get the emotions to come on. I'm dry as a bone and I just wanna shout. There's no one to call, 'cause I'm just playing games with them. The more I swear I'm happy, the more that I'm feeling alone. 'Cause I spend every hour just going through the motions. I can't even get the emotions to come on. I'm dry as a bone and I just wanna shout.
Can I have